How to join a Zorin 16 OS to an Active Directory domain. Make sure your PC can communicate with the domain controller over the network. Your network DNS setting must point to an Active Directory-enabled DNS server. Use the command mentioned to install the necessary packages. Now use this command to join your PC to the domain. When prompt, enter the password to join. Use the following command to map the home directories. Reboot PC. Now log in using any domain user ID. Please find the list of all commands I used in the description of the video.